Hi, hello, welcome to KVR High School Mathematics Tutorials. How are you friends? My viewers and students, how are you? So last time video lo manam 6 problems complete చేసుకున్నాం, 5 problems complete చేసుకున్నాం లాస్ట్ టైం వీడియోలో మనం. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ 6, 7, 8, 9. సో ఈ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈ వీడియోలో మనం క్లోజ్ చేసుకున్నామండి. ఓకే, సో లాగరిథమ్స్ మనకి కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ టాపిక్ అయినా సరే స్టెప్ టు స్టెప్ మీకు డీటెయిల్డ్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ కూడా మరి సైడ్ రైట్ సైడ్ మీకు బ్రాకెట్లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసుకుంటూ డీటెయిల్డ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్, మీకు ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే రైట్ ఇన్ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్, ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్. ఓకే, అదర్వైజ్ మీరు ఈ ఎపిసోడ్ని వన్స్ ఒకసారి 1 or 2 times ఓకే రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నా కానీ క్లారిఫై అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే రైట్, సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్స్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, మనం క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ మై వ్యూవర్స్, సో బిఫోర్ ఐ ఆమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ద టాపిక్, please subscribe my channel. Okay, like and comment, tap the bell icon also. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, let's start. So 6th problem, once read. First of all, reading is very very important. First of all, read the problem. Okay, understand that. After that, okay, so solve that. So if log of x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. Okay, so if log of x plus y by 3 equals to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find x by y plus y by x. X by y plus y by x value మనం find out చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, so what is the given value? First of all, solution. So what is given? Given log of x plus y by 3 equals to the half into log x plus log y. Yes, that is given. Okay, so that is given. Finally, we will find x by y and y by x value. X by y and y by x value. Okay, right? So log of x plus y by 3 equals to half into log x plus log y. So write in both sides write in single logarithm. Okay, so both sides kuda single logarithm ga express cheddam. So left hand side already single logarithm. Okay, already expressed. So right side expressing in single logarithmic form. Okay, so log of x plus y by 3 equals to the 1 by 2 into, this is log x plus log y. So log x plus log y means log xy. It can be, so that is the first law of logarithm. So log x plus log y means log xy. Since you write the first formula, log x plus log y equals to log xy. That is okay formula. So directly write here log xy, half into log xy. Okay, right? Have you understood? So both next that implies to log x plus y by 3 equals to the, okay, so log, okay, 1 by 2 into log xy. 1 by 2 into log xy means this is m into log a form, third formula. So third formula of logarithm is log a power m means m log a. So m into log a means log, it can be expressed as log a power m form. So log xy whole power 1 by 2. Log xy whole power 1 by 2. M into log a. m value 1 by 2. So log a power m, a value xy, m value 1 by 2. So since right here that formula, since okay, a into log m into log a equals to log a to the power of m form. M into log a means m into log a means log a power m form. Okay, it can be expressed as so. Both sides, once observe here, both sides log eliminated first. Okay, so eliminate the log on both sides. Okay, so eliminate the log on both sides. Eliminate log on both sides. Eliminate log on both sides. Okay, eliminate the log on both sides. So x plus y by 3 equals to the okay xy whole power 1 by 2. Xy whole power 1 by 2 means it can be written as root xy. Root xy. Okay, so power 1 by 2. So power 1 by 2 means it can be expressed as root of xy. Root xy. So power 1 by 2. So this is the second order. Second order means it can be written as root of. So square root of xy. Square root of xy. So by 3 transpose to right side into 3. So therefore x plus y equals to 3 into root xy. By 3 transpose to right side into 3. So 3 into root xy. Squaring on both sides. Finally we will find x by y plus y by x value. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides means x plus y whole square equals to 3 into root xy whole square. Okay, x plus y, LHS value, x plus y, RHS value 3 root xy. So squaring on both sides, whole square, whole square. So once observe here, this is a plus b whole square form. What form? A plus b whole square form. So a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. You know very well. Okay, algebra formula. Okay, so right here x plus y whole square means x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to okay. So 3 square means 9. 3 square value how much? 9. So 9 into root xy whole square. Okay. So this is a plus b whole square form. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to the 3 square value 9. Root xy means root xy whole square. Square root get cancelled here. Square root get cancelled. So x square plus y square equals to 9 into xy, 9xy. So 9xy. Okay. Plus 2xy transpose to right hand side minus 2xy. Plus 2xy transposes minus 2xy. Okay. Plus 2xy transpose to right side means minus 2xy. Okay. So then x square plus y squared equals to 7xy. 9 minus 2. 9xy minus 2xy. That means 7xy. Right? Okay. So x square plus y squared. X square plus y squared equals to 7. Okay. By xy. 7xy. 7 into xy. So into xy actually in RHS side. So transpose to left hand side, LHS side. That means by, whole divided by xy equals to 7 only, right side. So xy, by xy share with 2 terms. 2 terms ki resolve cheseyandi. Resolve xy with 2 terms. What is the first term? X square by xy plus y square by xy equals to 7. X square by xy plus y square by xy equals to 7. So now 1x get cancelled, numerator and denominator. Okay. So here 1x cancelled, numerator in denominator also 1x get cancelled. So x by y left only in the first term. First term, okay, numerator and denominator x1s get cancelled. Okay, 1x is left in the numerator. In denominator only y is left. Plus second term once observe. Second term. So 1y. So 1y get cancelled. Numerator and denominator. Okay. So 1y is left in the numerator. Denominator is only x. Okay. Denominator only x. Okay. So y by x. That means therefore, okay, x by y plus y by x equals to 7. X by y plus y by x equals to 7. That is the required value. Okay. Have you understood? Okay. So once observe here. Once again observe here. So this is given. This is given. So both sides, our target is both sides convert into single logarithm. Both sides would a single logarithm convert cheddam. So log x plus y by 3 already given. LHS is a single logarithm. So RHS. So convert into single logarithm. Half into log x plus log y. So this is log x plus log y form. So log x plus log y means log xy. So into 1 by 2. Into 1 by 2. So this is m into log a form. M into log a. M into log a means log a power m. Log a power m. M value 1 by 2. So xy whole power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2 means it can be written as root of xy. So root of xy. Eliminate log on both sides first. So both sides log eliminated. So root xy. Xy whole power 1 by 2 equals to root xy. So by 3 transposes summa into 3. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This is x plus y whole square equals to 3 root xy whole square. So LHS is a plus b whole square form. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So that means x square plus y square plus 2xy equals to 3 square means 9. Root xy means square and root get cancelled. So that means xy only. So plus 2xy, this is 9xy. So plus 2xy transpose to right side. Minus 2xy. 9xy minus 2xy, 7xy. Next, right side xy transpose to left side by. So by xy equals to 7. So resolve xy with the numerator with the two terms. First term by denominator, second term by denominator. X square by xy plus y square by xy. So x1s get cancelled. X by y is left in the first term. Y1s get cancelled. Only y in the y left in the first numerator. Denominator is x only. So x by y plus y by x equals to 7. That is the required value. Okay, students and friends and my viewers. Okay, have you understood this? Okay, so next. Okay, seventh problem. Okay, seventh problem. If 2.3 whole power x equals to 0.23 whole power y equals to 1000, then find 1 by x minus 1 by y. 1 by x minus 1 by y value find out this one. Okay, so what is given? So solution given 2.3 whole power x equals to 0.23 whole power y equals to the 1000. That is given. Okay, so what is given? 2.3 whole power x equals to 0.23 whole power y equals to 1000. That is given. Okay, right? Okay. Next, once observe here. So here 3 terms are equal. So first of all, equate first and last term. After that, equate second and last term. Okay, first term, last. Here 3 terms are equal. First term equals to second term equals to third term. 3 terms, okay, equal here. So first equating first and last term. Okay, so 2.3 whole power x equals to 1000. 2.3 whole power x equals to 1000. Okay, so first of all equate the first and last terms. 2.3 whole power x equals how much? 1000. Right? Next, 2.3 whole to the power of x equals to 1000 means 1000 can be expressed as 10 power 3, 10 cube. 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So 1000 can be expressed as 10 cube. Okay. Next, 2.3 equals to the 10 power. So power x. 2.3 whole power x. Okay. Power x transposed to right side. Okay. It can be written as 10 power 3 by x or whole power 1 by x. It can be also expressed as, for example, once observe here, a power x equals to b. A power x equals to b. Then a equals to the b power. Okay. Power x transposed to right hand side. It can be written as 1 by x. B power 1 by x. Okay. Here a power x. This is x root of b. This also can be okay. Reading as x root of b. X root of b. Okay. It can be said x root of b. Okay. So a power x equals to b means a equals to b power 1 by x. Same way. Okay. Power x transposed to right side by x. 10 power 3 by x. Okay. So this is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Okay. Yes. Next, take second term and last term. Next, equate second and last terms. Okay. So what is the first planning? First planning is equating first and last terms. The second planning is second term and last terms. Okay. So now take 0.23 whole power y equals to, this is also equals to 1000. Second term and last term. Because three terms are here equal. So 0.23 whole power y equals to 1000. That means 0.23 whole power y equals to 10 cube. 1000 means 10 cube. It can be written as 10 cube. Okay. So power y transposed to right hand side. Same way. So 0.23 equals to 10 power 3 by y. Power y transposed to right side by y. So 10 power 3 by y. 10 power 3 by y. So multiplying 10 on both sides. Because, okay, what is the LHS in the first equation? 2.3. Okay. So our target is second, in the second equation also, LHS is 2.3. That is our target. Okay. LHS సేమ్ చేసుకోవాలి మనం. LHS and LHS values సేమ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. Okay, that is our target. So this is 2.3. So here also wanted 2.3. So multiplying 10 on both sides, you will get 2.3. So multiplying 10 on both sides, 0.23 into 10 equals to 10 power 3 by y into 10. Okay. So here since write multiplying 10 on both sides. Since multiplying 10 on both sides. Okay. So 0.23 into 10 means 2.3 equals to 10 power 3 by y plus 1. Okay. So here also multiplying 10. Bases are equal. 10 bases are equal. So power should be added in this case. A power m into a power n form. Okay, this is 10 power 1. So a power m into a power n means a power of m plus n. Okay, so by the exponents law. So 10 power 3 by y plus 1. This is 2.3 value. Okay, this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Okay, so once observe the first equation. 2.3 equals to 10 power 3 by x. That is the first equation. What is the second equation? 2.3 equals to 10 power 3 by y plus 1. That is second equation. So from 1 and 2 equations, what do you get here? What do you get? So here LHS and LHS values are same. So by equating the RHS values. So 10 power 3 by x equals to 10 power 3 by y plus 1. 10 power 3 by x equals to 10 power 3 by y plus 1. Okay, right? So both sides bases equal. Both sides base 10, base 10. Both sides bases are equal. That means powers also equal in this case. So 3 by x equals to 3 by y plus 1, because since right here, okay, if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n. Okay, so that is the formula. Okay, bases equal అయినప్పుడు powers కూడా ఈక్వల్ అయిపోతాయి మనకి. Okay, so మనకి here base 10, here also base 10. Bases are same on both sides by equating the powers. So what is the power here? 3 by x. Here power is 3 by y plus 1. Okay, so 3 by x. So plus 3 by y transpose to left hand side, minus 3 by y equals to 1. Okay, so plus 3 by y also transpose to left hand side, minus 3 by y equals to 1. Okay, so take 3 as the common in the numerator. So take 3 common in the numerator. న్యూమరేటర్ లో 3 ఉంది కదా, ఆ 3 ని బయటికి లాగేస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ మీన్స్ దాన్ని మనం బయటికి లాగేస్తే మనకి ఏముంటుంది అంటే 3 అంటే 3 into 1 అని మీనింగ్. 3 1s are 3 కదా, సో 3 into 1, దట్ మీన్స్ 1 by x minus here also 1 by y equals to 1. ఓకే, 3 means 3 into 1. 3 ఆల్రెడీ కామన్ తీసేసాం, సో 1 is left in the numerator. So 1 by x minus 3 means 3 into 1. So 3 already taken out, that means taken common. So what is the remaining value? 1 is left there. So 1 by y equals to 1. So therefore 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by into 3 transpose right side by 3. 1 by 3 into 3 transpose chesam 1 by 3. So 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. That is the required value. Okay, have you understood? Once check here, step to steps, once check here. So first of all equating first term and last term. After that equating second and third terms. So we get the two equations. LHS and LHS values are same in that 1 and 2 equations by equating RHS values. Both sides bases equal. So powers also equal. So powers also equal means so x and y terms transpose to left hand side. So finally we get 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. Okay, right. So the next problem, 8th problem. So if 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Okay, so that is 8th sum. Okay, so x value find out cheyali. So given what is given? 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x. That is given. 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x. That is given. Okay. So both sides take log. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Okay, so log of 2 power x plus 1 equals to log of 3 power 1 minus x. Take logarithm on both sides. So log of 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log of 3 power 1 minus x. Okay, so that is given. So once observe here, this is log a power m form. Log a power m form. Log a power m means m into log a. M into log a. Okay, so x plus 1 into log 2 equals to 1 minus x into log 3. X plus 1 into log 2 equals to 1 minus x into log 3. Okay, since right here, since log a to the power of m equals to m into log a. M into log a. Okay, that is the formula. So log a power m equals to m into log a. Right? So multiplication first of all x into log 2. X into log 2 plus 1 into log 2. X into log 2 plus 1 into log 2 equals to the 1 into log 3 means log 3 minus x into log 3 x log 3. Okay, x into log 2 x log 2 plus 1 into log 2 equals to 1 into log 3 minus x into log 3 x log 3. Right? Okay, so all x terms transpose to left hand side, remaining all other terms transpose to right hand side. Okay, so x log 2, right? X log 2, okay, minus x log 3 transpose to left hand side. So plus x into log 3 equals to log 3 minus log 2. Okay, all x terms transpose to left hand side, because finally we will find the x value. So all x terms transpose to left hand side. So take x as the common here. Take x common. So x into log 2 plus log 3 equals to the log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so x into x taken common here. X taken common. The remaining value is log 2 plus here x taken common. So log 3 remaining value equals to log 3 minus log 2. Right? So therefore x equals to log 3 minus log 2. Okay, so log 3 minus log 2. Okay, x into, so this bracket transpose to right hand side. Okay, by, so take by, whole divide by log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3. Okay, so therefore x value, finally we will find the x value. So that means the solution of solution x equals to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3. Okay, that is the required value of x. Okay, have you understood? Okay, so once again here, so 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x, this is given. So take log on both sides log taken here. So log 2 power x plus 1 equals to log 3 power 1 minus x. So this is log a power m form. M into log a equals to m into log a. So x multiplication, x log 2 plus 1 log 2. 1 log 3 minus x log 3. So all x terms transpose to left hand side. X log 2 plus x log 3 equals to log 3 minus log 2. X taken common. So x into log 2 plus log 3 equals to log 3 minus log 2. So into bracket. So that means transpose to right side by x equals to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. So that is the required value. So okay, have you understood? Next question number 9. Finally, question number 9. Okay. So next, ninth question is log 2. First question, so in Roman number 1, in ninth section, is log 2 rational or irrational? Okay, justify your answer. Okay, log 2 rational or irrational number? Justify your answer. Okay, so రేషనల్ నంబరా ఇర్రేషనల్ నంబరో మనం చెప్పాలి. ఓకే, రేషనల్ నంబర్ అనుకుని స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. సో రేషనల్ నంబర్ అయితే ఓకే, రేషనల్ నంబర్ కాకపోతే అప్పుడు మనకి ఓకే రాంగ్ స్టెప్ పడిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అస్యూమింగ్ రేషనల్ నంబర్, రైట్? సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ సొల్యూషన్, ఓకే, let us assuming log 2 equals to suppose x. Log 2 equals to suppose x. Let us assuming log 2 equals to x, right? So any base is not given. So any base is not given. These are common logarithms. What logarithms? Common logarithms or Briggs logarithms. That means base 10. So take base 10 here. So 10 power x equals to 2. 10 power x equals to 2. So here base is 10. So here base how much? 2 only. So 2 cannot be expressed as the, okay, so 10 as the base. 10 as the base. Base 10 గా మనం 2ని ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. We cannot express 2 as the base 10. Okay, so we cannot express 2ని మనం 10 యొక్క పవర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? ఇక్కడ ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్. వన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. ఓకే, 2 cannot be expressed. 2 cannot be expressed as the base 10. Okay, so 2 cannot be expressed as the base 10. 10 base గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో ఎందుకంటే RHS బేస్ 10 మరి LHS బేస్ 10, RHS కూడా 10 బేస్ గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? సో నో ఛాన్స్. So 2 cannot be expressed as the base 10. Okay, right? So therefore, okay, log 2, okay, is irrational number. Log 2 is irrational number. Okay, so what is the reason? 2 cannot be expressed as the, okay, base 10 గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. దట్ ఈస్ రీజన్. సో log 2 is irrational number. ఇన్ కేస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయగలిగితే మనకి రేషనల్ నంబర్ అయ్యి, బికాస్ x is రేషనల్ నంబర్ గా తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకే, హియర్ x is రేషనల్ నంబర్. x belongs to Q. Okay, since here x belongs to Q. Okay, let us assuming log 2 equals to x. x is rational number. So assuming చేసుకున్నాం, బట్ మనకి సో ఇక్కడ ఇంపాసిబుల్ వచ్చేసింది మనకి. సో 2 cannot be expressed as the base 10. బేస్ 10 గా ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో log 2 is irrational number, not rational number. It is not a rational number. Okay, so next, that is first one amma. Second one log 100. Let log 100 equals to x. Let log 100 equals to x. X is the, okay, since x is the rational number, x is the rational number, right? Okay, so this base 10 is because, okay, this is also common logarithm. Okay, so actually 10th class standard logarithms అన్ని కూడా మనకి కామన్ లాగరిథమ్స్ లోనే ఉంటాయి. మనకి కామన్ లాగరిథమ్స్ ఆర్ బ్రిగ్స్ లాగరిథమ్స్. ఓకే, బికాస్ బేస్ 10. Okay, consider as base 10. So log 100 base 10 equals to x. So that can be written as 10 power x equals to 100. This is the logarithmic form expressed in the exponential form. First of all, So expressed in the exponential form, that means 10 power x equals to 100. So 10 power x equals to, it can be written as 10 square. 100 means 10 square. 100 means 10 square. So both sides base, same basis. So same basis means 10. So same basis 10. Okay. So if a power m equals to a power n, then m equals to n according to law of exponent. Law of exponent, so bases are equal means powers also equal. So therefore x equals to 2. X equals to 2. X is the rational number. So x is equal to 2 is the rational number. 2 is the rational number. Therefore, okay, log 100. Log 100 is rational number. Log 100 is rational number. Log 100 rational number, but log 2 is not rational number. Okay, so log 2 is not rational number. Log 2 value 0.3010 and so on. Log it's non-repeating, non-recurring decimals vasundi. That is rational number. Log 2 value actually, okay, suppose if you observe in the logarithm table, okay, log 2 value 0.3010 and so on. Okay, non-terminating and non-repeating decimal log 2 value. Okay, so manaki అలా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ నాన్ రిపీటింగ్ NTNR. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ NTNR. నాన్ టెర్మినేటింగ్ అంటే నాన్ రిపీటింగ్ డెసిమల్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ irrational numbers. So log 2 is rational number, right? Okay, so students and friends, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Okay, please don't forget, subscribe my channel. Okay, share to your friends. Next, tap the bell icon. Automatically మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ కామెంట్, రైట్ ద కామెంట్ బాక్స్, కామెంట్. ఓకే, డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనం సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ 8th చాప్టర్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దామండి. ఓకే, సో సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ ఫుల్ చాప్టర్ మీకు నేను వీడియోస్ మీకు అందిస్తాను నేను. సో మీరు ఫాలో అవ్వండి కంపల్సరీగా కూడా. సో డీటెయిల్డ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాను మీకు నేను. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్, ఓకే, ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే డౌట్స్ మీ కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో ఇస్తే క్లాస్ లో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఓకే, బాయ్.